Hi Aliki, Spencer from Prime Motorcars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my right is the vehicle you inquired about, our 2022 Mercedes-Benz E450 all-terrain wagon. Let's take a closer look. This particular vehicle in a polar white exterior paint color. We have a macchiato beige interior. It's a beautiful vehicle. We're doing some off-roading today for our video as it is an all-terrain wagon. We have a nice sporty styling here in the front end, LED headlights, intelligent light system, daytime running light up top, that's that LED smart light system, beautiful front grille, parking sensors in the front bumper, our radar guided cruise control system, part of our driver's assistance package, housed right in that Mercedes-Benz Star. Then coming along the side of the vehicle, we do have a black 5-spoke AMG wheel. So sport styling continues from the front bumper to the wheels. I like the black styling, the black trim in the wheels. It's a nice contrast from the white. Chrome along our window frame. This is a station wagon, so long window frames, tons of space, wraparound LED tail lights, E450 4MATIC badging, the all-wheel drive system for all of your off-road driving needs in a nice Mercedes-Benz wagon. Dual tip exhaust, chrome on the bottom, parking sensors down in the rear bumper as well. It's a gorgeous vehicle. I love the interior, burl walnut, macchiato beige. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the E450, we can take a closer look at the interior. Macchiato beige, burl walnut woods with this nice gloss trim across our center console and dashboard. Two displays here for our digital instrument cluster and for our phone navigation and radio. 64 color ambient lighting throughout the vehicle, matching burl walnut wood steering wheel, so a 360 wrap of wood on the outside, leather lined on the inside of the steering wheel. It's a really nice option. Upgraded Burmeister surround sound system. We have ventilated seats and heated seats, power memory seats for the driver and passenger. Driver's assistance package is included in this vehicle. That is your adaptive cruise control, lane and steering assist, an option on this model. Up top we have a panoramic roof, so two big pieces of glass really open up the cabin, let in a lot of natural light. If you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. 207-210-4796 is my cell phone. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.